Most people perform them at this level, but by the end of this video, you'll know the steps to take it from here to here. It will increase your intensity, make it even more fun, and take your skills to the next level. Let's dive in. Now, the best part about learning side swings is you don't even have to jump the rope. You can simply practice the technique while standing still until you're ready to add in the jumps. First, let's go over the single side swing. The single side swing refers to alternating one swing of the rope on each side of your body at a time. The top hand is leading the charge in this skill. You need to get this side of the rope to the outside on each side swing. This will keep the rope from tangling on itself. Practice with each hand on top so you get used to doing it both ways. Notice that my torso is not twisting during the side swing. It's just my hands moving back and forth across my body. Once you get it down at a slower speed, begin to gradually add speed until you can go as fast as you can while staying in control. Next, add in jumping the rope. When the hand on top is across your body, that's when you can open up the rope for the jump. Again, you will gradually add speed while staying in control. The more repetition you do, the easier it will become. Next is the double side swing. This is 2 swings of the rope on each side and is in my top 2 favorite jump rope skills because it is so versatile. Hand movement is key with this skill so you don't get the rope tangled up on itself. Like the single side swing, you need to get the top hand side of the rope to the outside on the first swing. Then it will slide inside the lower hand for the second swing and rotate to the lower position. As that swing comes up and over, you transition to repeat the process on the other side. As you become more comfortable with the technique, now we want to gradually begin adding speed. Remember, you don't have to go as fast as me. You get to decide how fast you want to go. Just as with the single side swing, when adding in the jump, time it on the first swing to the other side. This puts the hand on top with the arm across your body, and this is when you open the rope for the jump. Another key tip is to keep your jump timed with the rope and learn to anticipate and feel when you can open the rope for the jump. You will get better and better at this the more you practice. Now let's go over a few of my favorite combos using the side swing. These will all have the base skill of a side-side under combo and can take a basic footwork skill to a pro level. First thing you need to do is master the side-side under combo. Ultimately, the faster you can do this skill, the more impressive it looks. Getting faster is all about repetition. The more you do it, the less you'll have to think about it and the faster you'll become. Now let's take this side, middle, side jump sequence and add the side under to it. With all these combos, you'll notice that they will really help your coordination and timing. They will also push your endurance harder, so be prepared to take rests and build up endurance over time. Next, let's add it to the foot cross skill. This will test you mentally since you're not only performing the side swing arm movement, but you're also adding in the foot cross. And if you want to take things to a whole other level, add in the side, middle, side jump as well. This will test you both mentally and physically. Before we head into this next combo, hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, and be sure to check out my favorite jump ropes, which I got linked down below. Back to the video. Next is the heel toe step. This is a great example of how you can take a basic footwork skill and by simply adding in this side under pattern, it immediately kicks up the intensity with the added arm movement and makes it look a lot more complex. And now that you're becoming a master of side swings, you need to learn this skill, and I show you how in this video right here.